Okay guys, welcome back to another video. I could not wait to share this video with you guys. I've been waiting 6 months to tell you this amazing news. So in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing the most important piece to my full Cayman build. Now I'm just gonna give you guys a heads up. So my Cayman, I'm building it into a full show car. So this thing's going all out, all custom pieces, custom made, all this stuff. And this is the very first step in all of that. So I ordered these parts 6 months ago, and then they were handmade in Japan and then shipped on a big giant boat all the way to LA. They were delivered in LA and then shipped here, and we got them like last week. And I've been itching to show you guys. We've just been extremely busy. So all these parts that I've been telling you about are gonna be going on my Cayman, and they're in this box right here. I opened it up just to see if all the parts were there, but I haven't unwrapped any of the parts. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing all of the new body panels for this Cayman. That's right, I ordered a wide body kit straight from Japan, from Pandem V2 kit right here without the wing, because I'm going to be making my own carbon fiber wing. And I cannot wait to unwrap everything and see how it looks kind of around the Cayman. Maybe in a future video we'll be able to like tape it up, and oh my gosh. So I've never wide bodied a car before, but I know there's a lot of work ahead of us. So I still need to get a couple random little parts here and there, but we have multi-piece wheels, full custom multi-piece wheels coming. I have custom air struts made and shipped to me for air ride. I have air management. I got so many parts. So this is the very first thing. We have so much work ahead of us. Okay. Enough jibber jabber. Let's get into the box here. Here it is. It's from TRA whatever. I don't know what that is. Made in Japan. All right, I cannot wait any longer. We're gonna jump straight into the unboxing here. Like I said, I did pull everything apart just to see if all of the pieces were in there. Let's open this thing up right here. Straight from Japan.
Konnichiwa!
Oh. That wasn't as cool as I thought it was gonna be.
No part of it was supposed to be cool.
Okay, get out of there. Hold this up for you. Okay, you got it? Okay. I'm gonna hand the camera off to Faith here so I can have 2 hands to pull everything out. I'm just gonna grab this biggest piece first. So this right here, I believe is the rear bumper, the new rear bumper. Oh, check that out. That's gonna be so sick. So this is fiberglass. You guys can see inside, this is like fiberglass composite, but it's already primed and ready to go. I have heard from a couple of my buddies that are building these that you do need to trim a couple things and make sure they fit just right before you paint them, but we will be painting them. So that is a direct replacement to the rear bumper. So I'm actually gonna have to pull this ducktail off because it comes with one. I can't rock this with that or else it'd be a double ducktail, which would be really weird. So this is actually gonna be going up for sale. And same with the back bumper cover, because this replaces it. All right, next piece. Front bumper. Let's do the front bumper. So this is a fully redesigned front bumper. Let's go throw it up in the front there. Okay, there we go. Jeez, can you get, oh my gosh. That looks so good. So this thing's a fully redesigned bumper. It takes kind of the styling, like Porsche styling, but it changes up a bit. It also comes with these new daytime running lights. Next piece. Let's do the front lip next. Hey.
Oh.
Pay attention.
Sorry.
Okay, so we got the front lip, which mounts right behind there. Oh man. That thing's gonna look so good. This kind of goes with the front bumper. So this is like a plastic mesh. I think I'm gonna make my own custom metal grill, but this will do for now. We got side skirts. Boom! The side skirts are unwrapped. I'm not quite sure which side goes where. I'm pretty sure this is the passenger side right here. Just like that. Sweet. So now we have the wide body fender flares. Now these are probably the coolest part besides the front bumper. I love the front bumper. But let's check these out.
It's okay. It's okay.
All right, finally we got the passenger rear fender flare. check this out. So this thing's gonna mount just like that. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I got the next pieces unwrapped. Okay, so this is the front passenger fender flare, and it goes around the gas cap. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so sick. Dude, that's gonna be so good. Good thing I got wide wheels coming. Let's see what else is in here.
Oh, those are the daytime.
Oh, okay, so guys, check this out. So when you see wide body kits, when they're like bolted on with the exposed hardware, they have like a gasket. So this came with rubber gasket, which is kind of cool. Then it came with tons of hardware. So I assume a lot of these are like mounting hardware, but I have custom titanium mounting hardware coming soon. I'm gonna feature all these parts that I have coming. But this is pretty sick. This is gonna be really, really cool. Okay, so that's the hardware. Oh, Japanese wiring diagram. Ooh, yeah, check it out. Individual LEDs. Oh, those are gonna be sick. All right. So there you go. So I am going to be fully 100% irreversibly wide bodying my 2008 Porsche Cayman S with the Pandem V2 wide body kit. Like I said a little bit earlier, there is so much more to do. So I'm gonna kind of go over the build really, really quick in order. So we have the kit, check. We waited 6 months for that. So the next step is we need to like tape the kit up onto the car, kind of like tape it up like this, and make tons of markings and kind of like trim and sand up the body kit so it fits just right. And then comes the crazy part where I need to pull out an angle grinder out of my tools over there and cut up the fender. I'm not quite sure how much, but we'll figure that out. I need to cut up the fender and then like re-weld the body seam so no water gets in there. I have read that we do need to like move my front radiators like up, which will be very interesting. We'll see how that goes. I will have to drill into all the body panels. So like I said, it's irreversible. I can't go back once I do this, or it'll be very expensive too. Probably upgrading my headlights and taillights as well, so everything looks a little bit more modern. And I'm gonna try to keep you guys like involved along the entire process, just so you guys can see the so I can document the whole thing for you guys. Coming up fairly soon, I'm gonna be unveiling the wheels, the suspension, a bunch of random odds and ends, and then we gotta start building. Something that we can do today to prep for this is I'm actually going to be unwrapping the Cayman. Yeah, that's right, I'm done with the gray. I'm going back to the gloss black. I am gonna be painting the kit black to match, and we're gonna be rocking it all gloss black with the murdered out windows and all that, because the wheels that I ordered, the color scheme, oh my gosh, it's going to be sick. Are you gonna do the first little piece?
I'm doing it so you can't change your mind.
Oh my gosh, the black is gonna look so good. I miss the black on this car. I love murdered out cars, don't you?
Yeah.
So I think we've finalized the next wrap color, or not the next.
The wrap.
I think we finalized the wrap color, like the vinyl color for the SRT. We've narrowed it down, and I think we chose the color. The only issue is it's out of stock. So we have to wait a couple weeks for it to become in stock, and then we'll get it, and then we'll unveil that. And we also need to order a bunch of mods for the SRT. We have a long list of those. We gotta order those and start modding the SRT. So we have a full show car Cayman build, like a full daily driver Jeep SRT build. And we got other stuff coming too. And that other stuff, I don't know if we should unveil it yet, but more stuff's coming. So we got lots and lots of stuff coming to the channel, but I think I am most excited for this full wide body kit right here. All right, and just like that, the hood is unwrapped. Should we rock it black for a little bit? Just the black hood, that's it?
Not feeling it, but it's your car.
Let's just keep unwrapping. All right, $10. Woo! Oh yeah.
Ready?
Another one. Oh! 2 for 2.
trick shot.
Okay, and just like that, just in a couple of hours, the Cayman is like 80% unwrapped. We still have like that, the trunk part right there. I still need to get Faith out of the frunk. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Like I said, I've never done anything like this before, so I don't even know what the next step is. But I guess we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Bye.